Our girls bowling team made OTHS history this weekend.
Your Panther Beat starts now.
Hey, I'm Travis.
And I'm Reagan, and this is your Panther Beat for Wednesday, February 20th.
Our top news today. The girls bowling team are state champions.
They're the only team in OTHS history to claim state championship.
Lauren Tomacheski led the team with 2,552 pins. Lauren finished second in individual standings, but the key to this team was depth.
That's right, all 5 players were at the top of their game. Juniors Mary Orff and Natalie Heltney turned in outstanding performances, finishing the top 17th. Haley Williams and Grace Braswell provided key points to lift our Panthers to victory.
O'Fallon welcomed the state champions home with a fire truck parade and pep rally.
Michaela Mercinger, freshman. Bridget Haggerty. Isabel Basford. Elise Gordon. Junior Mary Orff. Junior Natalie Helmy. Junior Grace Braswell. Senior Haley Williams. And senior Lauren Tomlitz.
To be the first team in OTHS history to win state feels just awesome, and it's still so surreal that we've actually done it, and with the same group of girls from the past 2 years, it's amazing feeling, and I don't ever want to let it go.
We'd like to thank our coach Spencer and just all the parents who have been there for every tournament and every match, supporting us all the way through. Mike Imes and just the people like Mr. Bickle and Darcy Benway and Todd Muller.
And our assistant coaches that took us in like family.
Well, we rode on a fire truck through O'Fallon, and it was just really cool to see how many people came out and supported us. It was really cool.
Everyone was just really happy for us. Like, the town came together and celebrated all of us, and we were all super excited. Like, we were all crying afterwards and just super happy to like have finally won state.
Congratulations to Coach Spencer and our Lady Panthers. The Honor Roll Scholarship is due this Friday on room 401 by 3 p.m. Don't miss out on this opportunity for a $500 scholarship. This weekend is one of the biggest nights of the year, the annual February Frolic Show. Mark your calendars for Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. in the Milburn Auditorium. Tickets are $6 and can be bought during lunch this week.
Do you want to watch February Frolics any month? The Broadcast Club will be taking order forms for those who are interested. Order forms are available outside room 103 or available for download at the OTHS webpage. Return the order form and $10 to your advisory teacher or to Miss Stevens or Miss Drupart in room 103 by March 8th. Winter is here. Do you need an OTHS sweatshirt to stay warm? Student Council has some sweatshirts left for purchase. Stop by room 401 before or after school to purchase them.
Help Student Council support veterans and first responders. Got Your Six Support Dogs provides trained service dogs. Student Council is sponsoring a donation drive through February 22nd. Check out the list of items on flyers around the school. Donation boxes are outside room 401 or 1516 at Melbourne. Have you failed a class and need to make up the credit? Stop by the guidance office to register for the Spring Semester Credit Recovery Program. The deadline to register is Friday, March 6th.
The following colleges will be here next week for a college rep visit: IUPUI, Grand Canyon University, St. Ambrose University, Michigan State University, and Westminster. If you're interested, please stop by guidance to sign up.
Now let's pass it over to the birthdays.
Thanks guys, I'm Joshua, coming at you with the birthdays. Birthdays from yesterday, February 19th were Catherine Frazier, Ashton Griesmer, and Stevie Miller. Birthdays for today are Jacob Brown, Joshua Brown, Kendra Don, Gianni Falconer, Jamie Federhofer, Rachel Lakenberg, Katie Mank, Dominic Marock, Rihanna McMinn, Eric McNary, Christopher Millen, Ethan Oreda, Willen Tuma, Logan Hampton, Madeline Jackson, and Angelia Wu. And a very special happy birthday goes out to Mr. Bussy. That's all for me. Now let's pass it back to the news desk.
Now for your club news. Want to help build a library in Africa? Attend the Interact meeting today in room 405. GSA meets today to discuss memberships and future activities.
Future Educators meets today in room 401 to discuss observation opportunities, scholarships, and planned fundraisers. Contact Ms. Heitzman if you cannot attend. Action Club meets today to discuss upcoming events.
If you want to compete in Ultimate Frisbee, come to room 302 this Thursday, either before or after school. Get your teams together now. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.
Bye.
Bye.
Today, our subject is math. However, you don't need your calculator. Simplify the following. xyz cubed plus x squared y plus xy to the 0 plus xy to the power of 1/2 squared. Your answer choices are x cubed y cubed z cubed plus x squared y, x cubed y cubed z cubed plus 2x squared y plus 1, x cubed y cubed z cubed plus 2x squared y, x cubed y cubed z cubed plus x squared y plus 1, or 2x to the 5th y cubed z. You have 30 seconds to solve the problem. Alright everyone, time's up. The correct answer is x cubed y cubed z cubed plus 2x squared y plus 1. The power of 3 applies to all of the variables in the parentheses, and any variable to the power of 0 equals 1, therefore leaving you with the following result.